Assalamu alaikum class. I'm Mehak Nazir. I'm your computer teacher. Today we will study this book, Oxford Keyboard. Open your books, page number 1, chapter number 1, which is operating system. What is operating system? As it is a very important part of computer, we should know before that what is computer. Computer is basically made up of two parts, hardware and software. What is hardware? It is again consists of two devices, input devices and output devices. What are input devices? Input devices are those devices which are used to enter data into your computer. And output devices are those devices which give output on your monitor. For example, input devices are mouse, keyboard. Output devices are monitor, printer. As we can see here, this is keyboard, this is input device, this is CPU box, input is going here and here is output. Right? CPU, monitor, printer, keyboard, mouse, all they are computer hardware. And now what is software? Software basically refers to the set of instructions given to a computer to perform a given task. It is called software. For example, MS Office, that Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel. These softwares are downloaded in your computer to make your work easy. Now, what is operating system? When we start our computer, operating system start with it. You can see operating system software loaded with it. It is a program that helps computer hardware to work with other computer software. As you can see in this picture, keyboard is input going here and output in this monitor. So here we need a software. Different kinds of software takes input, like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office. We are typing there and input is going here and output is showing here. Now we have two types of operating system: single user operating system and multi-user operating system. With word single, you can understand only one user is working at a time. Like for example, Windows 7, the Windows we are using at home. And other is multi-user operating system that allows many people to use the same time a computer at different times. But how? Here main computer is attached to many computers. For example, Unix, Linux. In offices and big organization, multi-user operating system are used. If we, for example, when we go in some store, you can see there are many computers and different people are working with the same software at the same time. The main computer is attached that somewhere in your labs, and different people, they are using the same software at the same time. This is the example of multi-user operating system.